Rain forecasting starts with one thing: data, and a lot of it. Every day, billions of weather observations are collected from satellites, radar systems, weather balloons, ocean buoys, and ground stations. These track things like temperature, wind speed, humidity, and atmospheric pressure at multiple heights. Here's a pro tip: you can just pause the video and search how each of these systems work. Trust me, they are fascinating. Going ahead, without this real-time data, no forecast can work. Now, let's look at how exactly a rainfall is predicted. Now imagine the atmosphere like a giant swimming pool. Scientists break it into tiny zones like floating ice blocks. They simulate heat, moisture, wind in each ice block. Some gets warmer, some gets wetter, and some start to rise. That's exactly how a numerical weather prediction model, or NWP, works. The model checks every single ice block. Is it rising? Is it moist? Is the pressure dropping? If so, that ice block is flagged as rainfall. Then the model projects in what direction will the rain cloud move in the coming hours. It's like a slow motion simulation of the sky, updated every few minutes using raw physics. So the question is, why do Western countries like the UK and Germany often get better forecasts than India? There are three key reasons. First, they have a denser network of radars and weather stations. Second, more powerful supercomputers run their models faster and at a higher resolution. And third, and the most overlooked, is geography. India sits close to the tropics. That means the weather is dominated by fast-moving, moisture-loaded systems like monsoon, convection, and tropical cyclone. These tropical systems are hyperlocal and are very chaotic. They don't behave the way the slow, large-scale systems work in the mid-latitude regions in the UK or Germany. That makes them harder to model even with the same technology. But India is closing the gap. It now has one of the world's fastest supercomputers. The Doppler radar coverage has also expanded. Satellites like the OceanSat and SCATSat give real-time ocean and moisture data, and the AI models are being trained for hyperlocal forecasts. Here's a pro tip. About all these cool technologies, they are super fascinating. In fact, India's cyclone forecasts are now as accurate as any in the world. So next time your phone says it's going to rain in the next hour, don't just grab your umbrella. Pause for a second and think. Somewhere in the world, a supercomputer has just crunched trillions of numbers to tell you that a cloud might ruin your lunch plans. Rainfall is one of the hardest things to predict, but the science, it's getting better every day. So that's a wrap from our end on the numerical weather prediction models and rainfall prediction. If you like the content, please do like and subscribe the channel. See you next time.